If you spend long days on your feet, walking, standing, commuting, or working, then wearing the wrong shoes can completely ruin your day. Foot pain, knee pressure, and early fatigue are all signs that your shoes aren't doing their job. In this video, we've tested and researched the top 7 best walking shoes for long days in 2026, focusing on real all-day comfort, support, durability, and value for money. All the shoes on this list are available on Amazon, and you'll find by links in the description. Let's start the countdown. Number 7, Skechers GO WALK Flex, Lightweight Daily Comfort. At number 7, the Skechers GO WALK Flex is a fantastic entry-level walking shoe for people who need lightweight comfort during long days. Skechers has built a strong reputation for casual walking footwear, and the GO WALK Flex continues that tradition by focusing on softness, flexibility, and ease of use. This shoe is especially suitable for beginners, older users, or anyone who wants comfort without complexity. The most noticeable feature of the GO WALK Flex is its responsive foam cushioning, which absorbs impact with every step. When you walk or stand for hours, repetitive impact on hard surfaces can cause heel pain and leg fatigue. This cushioning helps reduce that stress, making long days feel more manageable. The sole is flexible, allowing your foot to move naturally instead of feeling stiff or restricted. Breathability is another big advantage. The mesh upper allows air to flow freely around the foot, keeping it cool and dry throughout the day. This is especially important if you walk in warm conditions or wear your shoes for many hours at work. The lightweight build also helps reduce leg strain, which is something many people overlook when choosing walking shoes. The outsole provides decent traction for everyday surfaces such as sidewalks, malls, offices, and indoor floors. While it's not designed for rough terrain, it performs very well for daily urban walking. The slip-on style available in many GO WALK Flex models adds convenience, making it easy to wear for everyday use. In terms of price, the Skechers GO WALK Flex is usually very affordable on Amazon, making it a great budget-friendly option. You may not get advanced orthopedic features, but for normal long-day walking needs, it delivers reliable comfort and value. By link available in the description below. Number 6, Nike Revolution 7, breathable and lightweight for long hours. At number 6, the Nike Revolution 7 earns its place as a dependable walking shoe for people who spend long hours on their feet. Nike designed this shoe with simplicity, comfort, and lightweight performance in mind, making it ideal for daily walking, work environments, and casual all-day wear. The midsole uses soft foam cushioning that absorbs impact effectively, reducing pressure on the heels and knees. This is especially helpful for people who walk on concrete floors or hard pavements throughout the day. The cushioning feels balanced, not too soft, not too firm, providing comfort without sacrificing stability. The breathable mesh upper keeps your feet cool and helps prevent sweat buildup during long wear. The fit feels secure but flexible, allowing natural foot movement. This is important for long days because restricted movement can lead to discomfort and fatigue. Durable rubber is placed in high wear areas on the outsole, providing reliable traction and improving the shoe's lifespan. Whether you're walking indoors, outdoors, or switching between surfaces, the grip remains consistent. The Nike Revolution 7 is widely available on Amazon at a reasonable price, making it a great value option from a trusted brand. By link in the description. Number 5, New Balance 520 V8, reliable daily comfort for long walking hours. At number 5, we have the New Balance 520 V8, a walking shoe designed for people who want dependable comfort, stability, and durability for long daily use. This shoe is especially popular among users who walk for extended periods on hard surfaces such as pavements, offices, hospitals, or shopping areas. New Balance focuses heavily on foot balance and natural movement, and the 520 V8 reflects that philosophy clearly. One of the biggest strengths of the New Balance 520 V8 is its balanced cushioning system. Instead of being overly soft, the midsole provides moderate cushioning that absorbs shock while still keeping the foot stable. This is extremely important for long days, because shoes that are too soft can cause instability, while shoes that are too firm can lead to foot pain. The 520 V8 finds a good middle ground that supports all-day walking. The upper is made from breathable mesh material that allows proper airflow around the foot. This helps prevent overheating and sweat buildup, which is a common issue during long wear. The padded collar and tongue add extra comfort around the ankle, reducing friction and pressure points. The shoe feels secure without being tight, which is ideal for beginners and experienced walkers alike. Another advantage is New Balance's reputation for fit accuracy. Many users appreciate that this model is available in multiple width options, making it easier to find the perfect fit. A proper fit plays a major role in preventing fatigue and foot strain during long walking days. The outsole is made from durable rubber designed to handle daily wear and tear. Whether you're walking indoors or outdoors, the traction remains consistent and reliable. While this shoe is not meant for rugged terrain, it performs very well for everyday walking needs. The New Balance 520 V8 is widely available on Amazon at a reasonable price, making it a strong choice for people who want comfort without spending too much. Buy link is available in the description. Number 4, Hoka Clifton Walk, maximum cushioning for reduced fatigue. Coming in at number 4, the Hoka Clifton Walk is an excellent option for people who want maximum cushioning during long walking days. Hoka is known for its thick midsoles, and this model is designed specifically to reduce impact stress on the feet, knees, and lower back. The standout feature of the Clifton Walk is its oversized cushioned midsole, which absorbs shock exceptionally well. Every step feels soft and smooth, making it ideal for people who walk or stand for many hours without breaks. This level of cushioning helps reduce muscle fatigue and joint discomfort over time. Despite the thick sole, the shoe remains surprisingly lightweight. This is a major advantage because heavy shoes can make your legs feel tired faster. The Clifton Walk maintains a good balance between softness and stability, preventing the foot from sinking too much into the sole. The upper is made from breathable materials that keep the foot cool and comfortable. The fit feels secure, and the rocker-style sole promotes a natural walking motion, making each step feel effortless. This is especially helpful for people with long work shifts or daily walking routines. The outsole is durable and provides reliable traction on common walking surfaces. While it's not designed for aggressive outdoor use, it performs very well in urban and workplace environments. The Hoka Clifton Walk is available on Amazon and is considered a premium comfort option. Buy link in the description below. Number 3, ASICS Gel Contend Walk, shock absorption and joint protection. At number 3, the ASICS Gel Contend Walk stands out for its focus on joint protection and shock absorption. ASICS uses its signature GL technology to reduce impact forces, making this shoe ideal for people who experience heel pain or joint discomfort during long walking days. The GL cushioning in the heel absorbs shock effectively, reducing stress on the ankles, knees, and hips. This makes a noticeable difference when walking on hard surfaces for extended periods. The midsole provides a stable platform that supports proper foot alignment, helping prevent fatigue. The breathable mesh upper keeps the foot cool and comfortable throughout the day. The padded collar and tongue add extra comfort, making the shoe suitable for long hours of continuous wear. The fit is secure without feeling restrictive. The outsole is built for durability and offers consistent grip on various surfaces. This makes the Gel Contend Walk a reliable daily walking shoe for both indoor and outdoor use. ASICS is a trusted brand in comfort footwear, and this model is easily available on Amazon at a competitive price. By link available in the description. Number 2, New Balance Fresh Foam More, maximum comfort for long walking days. At number 2 on our list, we have the New Balance Fresh Foam More, a walking shoe designed specifically for people who spend long hours on their feet and need consistent comfort from morning to night. This shoe is built around the idea of pressure reduction, stability, and long-lasting cushioning, making it an excellent choice for daily walkers, workers, and beginners alike. The standout feature of the Fresh Foam More is its extra-thick Fresh Foam midsole. This cushioning system is engineered to distribute body weight evenly across the foot, which helps reduce pressure points that often cause pain during long walking days. Instead of focusing cushioning only on the heel, New Balance spreads comfort throughout the entire foot, resulting in a smoother and more balanced walking experience. Despite the thick sole, the shoe does not feel unstable. In fact, the wide base design adds extra stability, which is especially important for people who walk on hard surfaces like concrete, tiles, or office floors. This wide platform helps prevent side-to-side movement and reduces the risk of foot fatigue, making it suitable for beginners who may not have strong foot muscles yet. The upper is made from breathable mesh material that allows airflow to keep the feet cool and dry. During long hours of walking or standing, proper ventilation plays a major role in comfort, and this shoe performs very well in that area. The padded collar and tongue add extra comfort around the ankle, preventing irritation and pressure buildup. Another major advantage of the Fresh Foam More is its smooth heel-to-toe transition. Each step feels natural and effortless, which helps reduce stress on the knees and lower back over time. This makes it a great option not just for walking, but also for people who stand for long shifts at work, such as teachers, retail workers, and healthcare staff. In terms of durability, the outsole is built to handle daily wear and tear. The traction is reliable on common walking surfaces, providing confidence with every step. While the design leans more toward performance than fashion, it still looks modern and clean enough for everyday use. The New Balance Fresh Foam More is widely available on Amazon and offers excellent value for people who want premium comfort without stepping into extremely high price ranges. Buy link is available in the description below. Number 1, Skechers Max Cushioning Arch Fit, best walking shoe for long days overall. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Skechers Max Cushioning Arch Fit, and for good reason. This shoe delivers one of the best combinations of all-day cushioning, arch support, and overall comfort, making it our top recommendation for long walking days in 2026. The key feature that sets this shoe apart is Skechers Arch Fit insole system, which is designed to support the natural shape of the foot. Proper arch support is essential for long hours of walking, as it helps reduce strain on the feet, ankles, and knees. This makes the shoe especially beneficial for people who experience foot fatigue, mild plantar discomfort, or arch pain during extended use. The Max Cushioning midsole provides a soft yet responsive feel underfoot. Each step is well absorbed, significantly reducing impact on hard surfaces. This level of cushioning is ideal for people who walk or stand for many hours without frequent breaks. Despite the thick sole, the shoe remains lightweight, which helps prevent leg and calf fatigue. The breathable mesh upper keeps the foot cool and comfortable throughout the day. Even during extended wear, airflow remains consistent, reducing sweat and discomfort. The padded interior enhances overall comfort, while the snug fit keeps the foot secure without feeling tight or restrictive. Stability is another strong point of this shoe. The sole design promotes a steady walking motion, helping users feel balanced and confident with every step. This is particularly important for beginners, older users, or anyone who prefers a secure and grounded walking experience. Durability is impressive for a comfort-focused shoe. The outsole is designed to handle daily walking routines on various surfaces, including sidewalks, indoor floors, and light outdoor paths. Over time, the cushioning maintains its shape well, making this shoe a reliable long-term investment. In terms of value, the Skechers Max Cushioning Arch Fit offers premium comfort at a very competitive price. It is one of the most popular walking shoes on Amazon, trusted by thousands of users for daily use and long working hours. Buy link is available in the description. If you're spending long hours on your feet, choosing the right walking shoes can completely change how your day feels. The shoes on this list are selected based on comfort, durability, and real-world usability. Check the buy links in the description to find the best deals, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who walks all day. See you in the next one.